Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Erin, and today we have a very exciting video. I'm gonna be doing an unboxing. As you guys know, if you've seen some of my previous videos, I have been trying to test out indie makeup brands. I feel as though they aren't getting as much love as they should in the community, myself included. I feel as though we all look at the bigger name brands and we don't take a second to look up some indie brands and give them some love. So my goal for 2020 was to give more love to the indie makeup brands out there and try to discover new brands and new products and just kind of have some fun looking for new makeup and makeup brands. And I came across a makeup brand. I actually found them on Twitter, and it's called Lunarskies Cosmetics. And the products look really, really cute. They have some really cute stuff that they've come out with, and I know they keep talking about things that they're going to release in the future, and it makes me really excited. So yeah, I decided to support Lunarskies Cosmetics this time. This is what the video is about. So for my birthday, as a birthday present to myself, I decided to get one of their mystery boxes and one of their eyeshadow palettes. I just picked basically what I thought would be cool. I wanted to get a mystery box just so I could get a feel for other products and I could be surprised and it would be fun. So the mystery boxes come in 3 sizes: small, medium, large. The small is $10 and you get at least $20 worth of product, 1 to 2 items. The medium box is worth $40 and you pay $25 and you get 3 to 5 items. And then the large box is only $45 and you get $60 worth of product, about 5 to 6 items. So I went ahead and got the large box because I wanted a lot of products, I guess. I don't know. So yes, this is what we have right here. I'm gonna show you the bottom because the front has my address on it. So, you know, not trying to like dox myself. So yes, this is what the box looks like. I'm very intrigued. It's just white. So let's get in, shall we? Oh yeah, there is a palette I ordered. It's not part of the mystery box. It's just a palette I wanted. So I'll show you guys that at the end. Okay, so the first thing I see is a little thank you card right here, and it just says like thank you for supporting the brand. It's really, really cute, and it has their social media handles like Instagram and Twitter, and just a little thank you, and then a 20% off code, which I will be using in the future. And then there's a little sticker, and it has their little what's it called, logo. Jeez, look at it. Oh, look at how cute. Look at how cute that is. It's so cute. I love that. And then this is what each looks like. It's got the little stringy bits on the inside. So let's dive in, shall we? I'm just gonna move that to the side. And the first thing I see is a highlighter pigment. Ooh, okay. This is what the packaging looks like. And we'll be opening it up, obviously, because I want to see the inside. So let's go. Oh, it's pink. I actually don't have many pink highlighters. I don't really know why. This is in the shade Galaxy. So this is what it looks like in the front. And then this is from the side. I don't know if you can see that on camera. I don't know if it's picking it up or like that maybe. There you go. Let's see. Should we do a swatchy swoo? This could get very messy. Okay, I just tapped some into the cap, so I'm just going to put my finger in there. And then let's swatcheroony it. Ooh, that is beautiful. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Ooh, that's pretty. I actually don't have many pink highlighters. I don't really know why. Pink's not really what I gravitate towards, but I'm actually really excited to have one because I feel like when I do an all pink look, kind of like how I did an all purple look, it'll go really nicely. So next, I see a Lunar Lips. This is in the shade Mocha. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, I like the packaging. It's like square. That's cute. Looks like this. That's cute. I like the color actually too. It's a nice like brownie shade. I heard on Twitter, I think they're getting rid of all their lipsticks. I think they actually do not have them anymore and all their like lip products. And they're coming out with new stuff, which I think is going to be very exciting. Oh, it smells good. Okay, let's swatcheroonie this. Oh yeah, this is a pretty color. This is something I would 100% reach for. Look at that. That is such a nice nude. It's not really a nude, it's like a brownie nude, but it also smells really good, so 2 thumbs up from me. And then next we have an eyeliner. Ooh, I'm excited. I kind of needed a new eyeliner, to be honest, so that's coming in handy. Oh, I like the packaging. It's really cute. It's really simple. It just has like this one little thing right here. I don't even think you're gonna be able to see it. It says right there, it says Lunar Liner, but my ring light's making it kind of hard to see. And it's a felt tip pen, which I don't really have a preference between felt or brush. They're all the same to me. So let's do a swatcheroo. Oh wow, that is a black. That is a black. That's nice. Okay, I'm excited about that. So I have a new eyeliner to test, which will be exciting because God knows I need a new eyeliner. Oh, we have another highlighter. Okay. Let's see what this color is. Ooh, this one's pretty. So this one's more of like a white gold. If you can see that. That's pretty. It's in the shade Moonlight. Oh, I like that one. Let's do a swatcheroo. Let me get it out. Okay, I just tapped some into the lid. And then we shall swatch it on my arm. Ooh, look at that. Wow. Ooh, I like that one. That's like a white gold. That's definitely more, look at that on my finger. Look at how pretty that is. Ooh, that's definitely something I would reach for more. I'm more of like a goldy, white gold kind of highlight girl, you know? But I really like this one, so that's exciting. Oh my gosh. Okay, and then I have 4 of, let's see, what are these? They're these little pots. They're called Astro Liners. Oh, these are those water activated like liners. So they're colorful and you just put like water in them, right? That's super cool. So I have a green one in the shade Mistletoe. That's cute. I have a pink one in the shade Poinsettia. Ooh, I like that pink one a lot. I have a red one in the shade Rudolph. I'm guessing this was like a Christmas lunch. That's cute. I like that. And then a gold one in the shade Golden. Ooh, that's pretty. That's so cool. I've been wanting to get some of these like water activated liners. I know Suva Beauty has them. I think Glam Vice Beauty. I don't know all their names, but I've been looking at people that sell the water activated liners because I think they look so cool. And now I have 4 of them for myself. That's so fun. I'm excited. I want to test those out really bad. So I received 1, 2, 3, where's the liner? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items in my mystery box. Oh my gosh, how nice. There's 8 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I got 8 items instead of the 5 to 6. That is so cute. That's so nice. I received more than I was even promised. That is so cool. So individually, these highlights are $5.75 right now. They're usually $11.50, but they're on sale for $5.75. So that's actually a really great deal. The lipstick is worth $5, which they are not selling these anymore because I think they're coming out with new lip products, but I'm still happy to have that. The Lunar Liner is worth $8.50, which is really good in my opinion. Oh, and then I can't find these little water activated liners on their website, so I'm assuming that they're not selling these anymore. Probably because they were like limited edition for like, I'm assuming around Christmas time because they have like Christmassy names. But yeah, so that was the mystery box, which I thought was really fun. I liked that. I love mystery boxes. They get me so excited and I'm like, oh, you know, I don't know, it's fun. And then the last thing I'll show you is what I bought. This isn't part of the mystery box. This is just what I purchased from them because I wanted to test it out. And this is their Flower Moon palette. This is what it looks like. That's so cute. And then the inside, this is the inside. Look how pretty that is. Isn't that so pretty? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Look how pretty this palette is. This is like not colors that I would necessarily gravitate towards in every day, but I don't know, there's something about this palette. This shade, Carnations, this middle shade, holy crap, that shade is stunning. This one right here is really pretty too. What's that called? Rose Mallows. I like the names of them. That's really cute. So yeah, I got this palette just to test out because I wanted to see what their eyeshadow formula was like and just kind of see what it's all about. So yeah guys, that's gonna do it from my little mystery unboxing slash what I got just because I wanted to try out makeup from this brand. But yeah, you guys should go check out Lunarskies Cosmetics. I'll have them linked down below so you can go see for yourself if you want to purchase from them or anything like that. Let me know if you guys want to see any of these products in action. Like I'll do a review or a video or whatever you guys want to see so we can, you know, give them a little boost and see what the products are actually like so I can actually get a feel for the formulas and stuff like that. So if you would enjoy a video on any of these products, let me know in the comments down below and I would be happy to do that for you guys. If you enjoyed this little unboxing from an indie makeup brand, please let me know in the comments down below or give me a thumbs up. Or you could do both, because if you give me a thumbs up, it lets me know what kind of content you are enjoying on my channel and it just helps me out a little bit. You can also subscribe to my channel and we can become friends and talk about makeup and books and horror and all kinds of other stuff, and it will be lots and lots of fun. And with that being said, this video is done. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. I also got this little sticker. I didn't even notice. Look how cute. I couldn't see it. It was buried in the box. I like that. It's so cute. I love the stickers.